you guys' plans?
Oh, I'm taking off to Mexico here.
Taking off
after
to
work.
Mexico? It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, real pumped for it. What about you?
Yeah, pretty much the same thing. I'm going to Hawaii.
Decent.
Yeah.
Is it?
I'm dressed all for it already.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Be a real shame if there was a snowstorm or something.
Yeah, I know,
Same.
right? I know. But just our luck, that's exactly what will happen, right?
Probably.
You probably just jinxed it.
Yeah,
Really?
likely.
Well, I don't know about you guys. It's pretty much the end of the day, so I think I'm gonna get out of here. Got this all set and ready. I'm getting out of here.
All right.
Make sure you check the weather.
Oh yeah, I'll let you guys know how it is out there. Text you guys once I arrive to the airport. Make sure I got you safely. Everything okay?
See you later, man.
I don't know where we're going that way. Okay, see you guys.
Later.
Later.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Yeah, man, super pumped to hit the beach and everything. Get in the water a bit, you know.
Yeah,
It'd be great.
that'll be unreal. Yeah. Where are you going?
Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
What's
don't
going
think we're
on,
going
man?
anywhere.
Why are you back so soon?
I don't think we're going anywhere.
What?
Man, it's like, it is super cold. It's bad out there. It's, yeah. It's storming. You jinxed it. It's all your fault.
I didn't jinx.
No, you
it.
jinxed it. You jinxed it, man.
Can we still get out of the building?
No. There's no way, man. No way.
Dude, you gotta come have a look at this.
What's up?
Unbelievable.
Man, are you serious?
Blizzard of the century or what? Unreal.
What am I gonna do? How am I supposed to go to Hawaii now? Like, man, I'm gonna have to rebook my rebook my flights. This is utter BS.
This can't be real.
Well, hey guys, you gotta come check this out. It says that it's not supposed to stop snowing for like 48 hours, and it's supposed to be like 3 feet of snow.
Oh my god. Well,
Yeah.
Looks like there's no way this could get any worse.
Oh man, I can't believe this.
Guys, looks like we're in luck.
Look what we just found.
I think we found some preparedness stuff.
Nice.
No way. Might just survive this thing. Go. Let's check out what we got in here.
No
yeah.
way!
We have a blanket to keep warm.
Oh, nice. We got some water bottles in here.
All good.
4 of them. Keep the 4 of us hydrated. Also got ourselves a can opener. Light. Got ourselves a couple cans of food. Candle, in case the power ever goes out. Hopefully it doesn't. We got ourselves a lighter. Yahtzee! Woo! Whoa. Kind of missed the table there.
What'd you get?
Okay, let's count these up here. Whoa.
Oh.
Power just went out. Anybody know where Jordan went?
know.
Crap, where'd he go?
I'm ready for this.
Already ready, hey?
Oh yeah. Set.
Always be prepared.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video and we hope that you learned a lot. A couple things we just want to quickly review. In the case of a blizzard, don't try to actually go anywhere. Hunker down if needed, whether it's in your workplace or at home, even if it means you're going to miss that flight. Number 2, always have an emergency prepared kit. Make sure that it's filled with things like water to stay hydrated, food, so obviously you don't go hungry. Things like flashlights and candles are good for not only heat but also light. Blankets to stay warm, games to play so that you don't get too bored. And of course, in the end, make sure that you all stay together. Make sure that everybody is in the building and no one is left behind. It may not have been the perfect vacation for these guys or for anyone else leaving the office that day, but at the same time, in the end, if you stay with your team and make sure that everyone is safe, warm, and fed, you'll end up okay. Thanks again so much, you guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have an awesome day and stay safe.